In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Sheets on Basecamp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to share a spreadsheet from Google Drive and make it easily accessible to your team inside your Basecamp project. Let's start in Google Sheets. First, open the spreadsheet you want to share. This might be a report, a tracker, or anything you're collaborating on. In the top right corner of your Google Sheet, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click that. A sharing window will pop up, showing who currently has access. Here, you want to make sure the permissions are set in a way that works for your team. If you want everyone on your team to be able to see the sheet without having to request access, change the settings to something like anyone with the link can view. This is usually the safest option if you just want people to look at the data and not edit it. If your workflow requires collaboration, you can choose options that allow commenting or editing instead, but be mindful of who will have that level of access. Once you've chosen the right permissions, copy the shareable link. This is the URL we're going to use in Basecamp. Now switch over to Basecamp and open the specific project where you want this Google Sheet to live. Inside that project, look for the section called Docs and Files. This is where all your shared documents and uploads are organized. Click into Docs and Files, and then look for the option to add a new document. Depending on your version, this will appear as Add Doc or a New Doc button with a plus sign. When you click to add a new doc, you'll see different options for what kind of file or link you want to add. Choose the option that says Link to a Google Drive file. This tells Basecamp that instead of uploading an actual file, you're attaching a live link that points to your Google Sheet in Drive. Paste the URL you copied from Google Sheets into the field provided. Then, give your document a clear title, something that makes sense to everyone on the project, like Marketing KPI Tracker, Google Sheet, or Budget Overview, Live Sheet. Once you're happy with the title and link, click to post or save it. Your Google Sheet is now linked in Basecamp, and your team can access the live, always up-to-date version directly from the project's Docs and Files area.